As a payment method, we are offering payment by Skrill Money Bookers. All you have to do is to create an account on Skrill Money Bookers if you don't already have one. When you sign in, you follow the further instructions from this video. You see the section that says Send Money. Click on that section. Now on the screen appears the form that we need to fill. On the section Recipient's name you need to type in Top Design Zone. I repeat, Top Design Zone. Below that section there is a new section where you need to enter email address. Email address is topdesignzone@yahoo.com. Now we reach to the amount section. In this section you need to type in the amount of money that you need to pay to the Top Design Zone. Of course, currency of the transaction must be in euros. Now we are on payment reference section. There you type in something like graphic design contest or similar. When you click next button, there is one more step to do. You will need to fill date of your birth for your own safety. Kind regards from Top Design Zone team.